Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by powering and prepping the hardware. Charge the Ps4 above 20% and make sure the PlayStation is off or in rest mode so the controller isn't already linked. Once ready, press and hold the share and PS buttons simultaneously for 3 to 5 seconds. The light bar will begin to flash, indicating pairing mode. Then, on your phone, PC, or other device open Bluetooth settings, scan for new devices and look for the entry labeled Wireless Controller to select. Once you tap or click Wireless Controller, confirm the pairing prompt and use passcode 0000 if the device asks. Most modern systems pair without a PIN. After connection, make sure the controller uses the right input mode. Choose X input for native gamepad support or D input for older programs. Then verify functionality by opening a controller tester or a game's calibration screen. Check face buttons, triggers, analog sticks, and the touchpad so you know everything maps correctly before you start playing. To finish, decide which device should keep priority. If you want the controller back on Ps4, plug in via USB and press PS to reassign it. If Bluetooth fails, forget the wireless controller entry on the host device and repeat pairing from scratch. This clears stale pairings. As a final troubleshooting step, perform a hardware reset with a small pin in the rear reset hole, then re-enter pairing mode. This often resolves persistent pairing conflicts or unresponsive controllers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.